Welcome to Goldman's Back 40 Podcast, a production of Goldman Equipment. We are your local John Deere dealer here in central and northern Louisiana. Give us a call or come by one of our 12 locations statewide and look us up on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or on our website at www.goldmanequipment.com. Goldman Equipment, we're not just in your field, we're in your backyard. All right, welcome once again to Goldman's Back 40 Podcast. Today we're going to talk about ordering parts, and not just ordering parts, but we're going to order them online, Gary.
Absolutely.
Did you know we could do that through Goldman Equipment?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Well, now we're going to show everybody else how to do it. It's so quick, it's so easy, and it really makes the parts ordering process very efficient. They don't ever have to leave their own home.
That's exactly right. And with the economy like it is today, and with all the, virus scare and everything, we want to be able to give our customers and be able to teach them how easy it is if they need parts from any of our locations. So today we want to make a quick video to show them just how easy it is.
It is so easy. It's easy to social distance and get your parts too. How about that?
That's it.
Boy, that is what they call a meal and a movie all in one, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, well, we're going to go through the process. First off, you can go straight to the GoldmanEquipment.com website, right? That's where we get started at. GoldmanEquipment.com. And then we're going to go to Parts and Service. We're going to go Buy Parts right there. That'll get you to this screen here. You got two, kind of gives you a lowdown of our parts department, what we carry and everything. And then you can go back down here to ordering parts at the bottom. And we're going to click John Deere parts. And the part we're going to order today is a V-belt for our Z445 Z-Track. So
You go to
we got to do English because we speak English. And as you can follow us through the process here, we're going to go look for our number. You can see we've already searched for it once here. Z445, search. You can see it shows two results by model number, and it's just a Z445. And look at there, it gives you a schematic and a category of where the system, you can bullet down by that. But you can also go up here to the top and look for a specific part. And we're going to search for a belt. Put that in, hit our search. And we get several returns here. We're looking for a V-belt, so we're going to click that. Look at there. How about that, Scott? There's our part right there. And you can order how many ever you want. And you can do this with any part, of course.
right.
Add to our cart. And you can see it added right up here. Our cart number now has 1. So if you need to shop some more, you can go back and do a new part search. Go back to your search results if there's something else you need. If you need an idler as well and you don't see it here, you can go back and look for something else. If you need a filter or anything like that, same thing. So we're going to go to our cart once we're ready to check out.
Rodney, let's go back and do a filter.
Okay.
So we're going to purchase a V-belt and a filter.
Okay, so we're going to go back to continue shopping.
Yes, sir.
And let's go back. And we're going to look for a filter.
Fuel filter.
What kind of filter?
Fuel.
Look at there. There's our fuel filter.
Mm-hmm.
first result. And you can be sure that this is the right part number. It's updated and everything because it's coming straight, downloading straight from Deere's system, right?
That's exactly right.
So we'll add one of those to our cart too. You can see our little cart icon now has a 2 in it. So we ready to check out now, guys, or is there
Yes,
anything
sir.
else we need? Okay.
That's it.
We're going to check out, and you can see a synopsis of you got 2 items here. So, and it'll tell you, if there's information in the system of availability, price, and total. It'll say contact your dealer if there's not any there. Now, the first time that you go in and you go to your shopping cart, click on the icon, go to your shopping cart, you'll see, now I've already got one in here, Goldman here in Monroe, but you'll have to go in and select your dealer. And it gives you a handy little tool here to do that. So you can enter your location, Monroe, Louisiana, choose from the drop down, and it'll ask you, what's your industry. We're lawn and garden because we're ordering for lawn equipment. And it gives you a group of pins here. Shows you your first result is going to be the most relevant. And of course, that's going to be our Goldman store here in West Monroe. Even tell you how far it is from your current location. So we're going to select that dealer, and you'll see that pop up. You'll see that pop up right here. Okay? So that way you can lock us in, and you know exactly who's handling this parts order for you on a local level. Okay? So let's proceed to checkout, and you'll see here. And there you go. Now we got a V-belt and a filter.
Yes, sir.
How about that?
Mm-hmm.
And it gives you your total here. And we can continue to shop, or we can go to checkout, or check this out. Say you're really into social distancing, and you don't want to leave the house to come up to the shop to pick up the part. And you want, well, it'd be nice if they could bring it to me. And while they're there, install it onto my mower as well. So you see that little button there, request service? You can put your name, email, phone number, location of the equipment, address, all that stuff in there. And what exactly you want us to do. I just bought a fuel filter and a V-belt from Parts Online. Would you please come and bring it to me and install it? And make sure that you click that you're not a robot, so we can make sure that you're not a robot.
Mm-hmm.
And then click submit request, and that'll also be in with the request. So there you go. Once you have all of that, you go to checkout, and it'll prompt you to create an account. Once you create an account, it'll set up your own login, ID, and password. Okay, now once we get our billing information and shipping information in, we will be able to see a summary of exactly what we've ordered, as well as a total and everything. And then when we click to complete order, the order will be placed. It's so simple, guys. Set it up. It'll give you a login and ID, or you can create one. It'll remember all of your billing information as well as you go on through this. Now, once the part is ordered, what's going to happen, Gary?
Well, it will go to the location that they pick that's closest to them, especially if it's coming to them via UPS or something like that in the mail. That's the cheapest way, okay, to get to their front door. But the parts counter person will pick up the order off of the printer, fulfill the order, get it ready to ship, and it will ship out the same day, direct to the customer.
And then we'll come out there and install it for you. It's as simple as that, folks. It can't get any easier.
One-stop shop.
Yeah, and then through the last 3 months with our country, dealing with the virus and everything, we are seeing a great uptick in people purchasing turf parts. And basically what turf parts is lawnmower parts.
It's just what we just ordered.
Just what we just ordered. But sooner or later, I mean, this is how the world is going to. I mean, it's going to be coming to large ag, small ag, and being able to order parts off the line and be able to get it shipped right to their house or to their shop, wherever.
It's very easy, it's very efficient, and it's very flexible.
Absolutely.
So it allows you as a customer to have control over how you want to do your parts purchasing, and really expands your capabilities as far as getting problems addressed whenever you run into them.
Yeah, I'd like to, if you request service and we come out, when that invoice is ran, now you have 90 days parts and service warranty on the equipment.
That's a
you
good
work on.
point. That's a very good point.
So-
That's exactly right, Scott. Once you get a part, you have 90 days. So, and that's just something we do to make sure that we can meet your standards of approval on these parts. And the parts that we carry are only top-notch parts as well. They're John Deere parts.
Genuine OEM
Genuine.
parts.
That's right. Exactly. All right. So couldn't be easier. Try it. If you need a part, give it a try. See how you like it. I think you'll be real pleased with how it works. We've really taken a lot of care to refine the system to make it very, very easy for our customers. All right. So until next time, we wish you a wonderful day. God bless you and your family. God bless America. Thank you, Scott, for being with us.
No problem.
Gary, as always, it's a pleasure, brother.
Thank you, Rodney.
And we'll see you next time on Goldman's Back 40 Podcast.
Thank you all.
Thanks for listening to Goldman's Back 40 Podcast, a production of Goldman Equipment, LLC. We appreciate your comments on the show, and please let us know you enjoyed the program by hitting the like button on Facebook and sharing with your friends. We look forward to seeing you back with us for the next episode. Until then, God bless you and your family, and God bless America.